Hello viewer, I am Shehbaz and you watch my YouTube channel JS Medicine. Today I inform you Torex IR tablet. Some expert advices of Torex IR. Take immediately after meals. Do not crush, break or chew the tablets. Swallow whole with the glass of water. Do not lie down 15 to 20 minutes after taking this medicine. Do not take for more than 10 days without consult a prescribe, and this tablet price is 125 rupees per strip and its formula is Naproxen. The uses of this tablet Torex IR. This medicine is used in the treatment of inflammation of joints. Its main joints inflammation and inflammation in the bones and acute gout and teeth pain. It relieves the teeth pain. This tablet is a pain relief tablet. If you have body pain, you take this tablet. This tablet side effect is bleeding and ulceration, abdominal pain, skin and allergy reaction, dizziness, and its side effect is vomiting. And this tablet is not used in the pregnancy of female, and its tablet is very good. And this tablet is you take this tablet every medical store. If my video you have like, if you comment, pass and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.